please tell us your name and when did you bought your first crypto and which platform it is?
So my name is Alex. I bought my first Bitcoin in 2017 on Coinbase.
How did you explore this space?
So that was in 2017. I just bought like 50 euros worth of Bitcoin. A friend told me about it, and then I started participating in ICOs slowly with bigger amounts. And you could make money with doing everything. So at the start I was lucky. I didn't know what I was doing.
So in 2017, you firstly I would say it's a blessing that you first only buy Bitcoin, because in the previous 2 year cycles, many of the users come through like the meme coins like the Doge or the Shiba Inu. So we could say that we are the lucky ones that who enters in the early stage and bought Bitcoin for the very first. And which platform did you use?
I used Coinbase.
Coinbase.
Yeah.
Coinbase. Yeah, it has a massive following outside the India, like US or many other countries.
Yeah, Coinbase has about 100 million users, same like Binance, so they're the two biggest exchanges. But Coinbase does take quite hefty fees, big fees. So now I'm using Binance and other exchanges.
Okay. So we have noticed this very much that why every other user first they choose Coinbase, then they realize like they are charging a very hefty fees from their users. Like I would sometimes say that they are trying to rug their users, because like Binance are doing it, I think, a very much cheaper fees if we compare to Coinbase. So what are the advantages that Coinbase are having? Like they can grab the attention for the users, or like they are doing their business previously from the Binance, like.
Yeah, so Coinbase is regulated in the US, so of course they have more expenses because of that. So if you're a US citizen, you're gonna feel more comfortable using Coinbase. I'm not in the US, but still maybe Western. Binance is more aggressive. So, you have different coins listed on Binance. It's a different type of service, even though you get the same thing at the end of the day. Yeah.
So now come back to from in 2017, you are like a very you are the explorer in this field. Like you are trying to explore the maniest things, and now you are investing the projects like at early stage. So how has been the journey? Like what are the major setbacks that you have seen in this journey? Because at the 2017 you are already riding a bull run, and 2018 you see the bear run. That like, did you left that space or did you continue to stick with it? And again we are seeing that this same thing right now. So what are the major setbacks and what are the learnings that you have learned from that you are applying as of now?
Yeah, so there were a lot of setbacks. It's not easy, it's actually very hard. And there's this meme, right? It's like what people think holding is like, and then what it really is. It's like, like fire, you have to, right? You have scratches. So that's what it is. I made and I lost a lot of money several times. So it's really hard emotionally, right? Exactly. One day you're like very rich, one day you're very poor, and again and again. So it also, you become a bit more detached from money, and you slowly try to leave your emotions out of the door.
It's a complete roller coaster of emotions. Like crypto is like someone says that breakup hurts hard, bro, come to crypto.
Yeah. So, and when you experience so many of these emotions, you become desensitized to them a bit, and so that helps you make more cold decisions. So you have to go through the process. It's very hard, but you cannot learn really from my experience. You have to learn yourself. So you have to go through it, invest small amounts, start, and just keep going, even though it's hard.
So